Hey friends, have you ever opened your English notebook and thought, I'll never remember all these words? I know exactly how that feels. I've been there too. I remember spending hours trying to cram 50 words and forgetting them the very next day. Total facepalm moment. One time, I even wrote a full list on sticky notes, stuck them all over my wall, and the next morning, they'd fallen off while I was sleeping. I woke up surrounded by English words like I was in some kind of horror movie. Did I remember them? Nope. That's why you need to hear this, the one trick that will help you remember 100 new English words in just 7 days. And it actually works. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe to 1 Cup of English. It really helps me create more fun and practical lessons for you. Grab your coffee and let's get started. Step 1. Chunk your words, 10 at a time. Trying to learn 100 words at once? Nightmare. Instead, break them into chunks of 10. Example, Day 1, travel words, airport, suitcase, ticket. Memorize the first 10, then move to the next 10 the next day. Your brain loves small victories. It gives dopamine and makes learning addictive. I remember when I first tried this, I was at the airport actually forgetting the word suitcase. Imagine pointing and saying, that my big box with clothes inside. Embarrassing. That's when I realized I needed smaller, clearer goals. Step 2. Use stories to remember. Attach each word to a mini story or image. Don't just memorize, experience it. Example, for suitcase, imagine your suitcase running away at the airport. Hilarious and unforgettable. I do this all the time. Last week, I remembered 15 words just because I pictured a cat in a tiny suitcase. True story. And once I had a student who connected the word ticket to a memory of getting a parking ticket. Guess what? He never forgot that word again. Step 3. Speak, write, use. Don't just look at the word, use it immediately. Say it out loud, write a sentence, or teach it to a friend. Example, I left my suitcase at the airport. Don't tell me it ran away. Silly, but it sticks. One of my friends learned English by talking to her dog. She'd say things like, Buddy, sit in the chair. Buddy, don't touch my sandwich. The dog didn't learn English, but she did. Step 4. Daily micro-sessions, 10 minutes. Consistency beats cramming. Just 10 minutes a day is enough if you focus. Morning, review yesterday's words. Evening, add 10 new words. Do this every day. After 7 days, boom, 100 words actually remembered. When I was in university, I tried studying English for 3 hours straight. After an hour, I was already scrolling Instagram, but 10 minutes? Easy. I could do that while waiting for my noodles to cook. Step 5. Flashcards plus fun quiz. Use a flashcard app or paper cards. Quiz yourself, shuffle them, mix them up. Make it competitive. Challenge yourself. Can I recall all 10 words before my coffee gets cold? I once lost a game of flashcards to my younger cousin. She was 12. Do you know how motivating it is when a kid beats you at English words? That's the power of making it fun and competitive. Bonus tip. Visual triggers everywhere. Label things around your house in English. Your coffee mug says mug. Your chair says chair. You'll be surprised how your brain links words to objects. It's automatic memory reinforcement. Once I labeled my fridge, fridge. A guest came over and asked, do you forget what it is? I laughed, but guess what? They also remembered the word. So let's recap the trick. 1. Chunk words in tens. 2. Make mini stories. 3. Speak, write, use. 4. 10 minutes daily. 5. Flashcards plus quizzes. 6. Visual triggers everywhere. Follow this method, and in just 1 week, you can confidently remember 100 new English words. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you, hit subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Drop a comment below. Which word will you memorize first using this trick? See you in the next lesson.